Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how you can add your Facebook pixel code to your website, either on WordPress or adding it to an HTML code. So I'm going to be showing you two different methods, in which you can add your Facebook meta pixel, the code you can add it to your website. So before we proceed, welcome back to our Learn with Content YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon in order to get notified anytime we post relevant information like this. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to be showing you how to add this code, and also so that when you are running ad, it's going to be very easy for you to run the ad and track events happening in your website and in the ads you are running. Now, the first thing you need to do is how to get the meta pixel code. Now, I'm going to head on to my business account. So if this is your first time coming across this, just go to your Facebook business account, like the business manager, and under the business manager you see something like event manager. So but before then, you need to choose which of the ads accounts you want to use. So this is my business account that I want to use, so I'll just select it and come to event manager. So if I click on event manager, it's going to take me to my event manager. I already created some pixel, so you can see this is Elementor pixel. It has been integrated. This one, no integration has been made. This one, no integration has been made. This one, no integration has been made. So if I want to set up the integration, let's say I want to connect this text pixel, I have to just create it. So but before then, if you have not created any pixel, you just come to connect data. When you click on connect data, it will ask you to select, is it web, is it app, is it offline. So I'll advise you to select web, so that you can connect your website to share activities that occur online. Now, so activities like purchases, clicking on button, etc. So you click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you to create a new data set or select an existing one. Let's say we want to select this, and we'll click on what? We click on next. Choose the ad account you want to connect. This is the ad account you want to use. So it has been connected successfully. So we want to finish setting up our meta pixel with the web event. So we need to install it. So click on this. I want to show you how to get that code. So but this video is about how you can install the code. But if you already know how to get that code, you can skip this part. So but I want to show you how to actually get the code. So let's wait for it. So click on see other way to connect. You can select, if you want to connect with WordPress, you select set up with partner integration. And if you want to set it up with code, you want to set it up in your HTML, set up manually. So if I click on set up manually, I'll click on next. So that's the first thing we need to do. I'll click on next. So let's allow it to load. So after clicking on next, it will take me to this place. So this is the meta pixel, blah blah blah. So all I need to do is copy this code. So when you copy this code, go to your HTML code. Now this is my website. Let me say this is my website. I'll just go to the file manager. Now under the file manager, I'll look for the place I want to copy the code. So what you need to do is just look for your index.html. So I have a course, a web design course here. This is the course folder. So and this is the HTML, this is the index, the landing page of the course. So I'll just click it. So your own might be index.html, while your own might be index.php. So you just right click and click on edit. So once you have edited it, it will take you to your code. So as a developer, you know what to do actually. So this is the code. So we have the header. Can you see this is the header? So now I want to show you something. You can see there are a lot of code under this header. both the meta, the title, the style. So there are a lot of code under the header. So also your meta pixel code will also come under this header. So you can see everything under this header always come before this closing tag, tag that I highlighted. So anything you want to paste, it must come under this closing tag. So I'll just click on it, then paste it. I've copied it before, so I'll paste it. So I've pasted a meta code before, a pixel code before. Can you see? So you can see that the ID here is the ID is different from the one I just posted now. This one for 304131. Can you see? It is different. So this is the one I just pasted now. So once you are done, just click on save. So but make sure it comes before the closing tag of that header. Can you see? Before this closing tag, it should come before that. So once I have saved it and I've come here, I'll just say continue. Can you see? So you can turn on automatic advanced matching and you click on done. So that's the first way you can install your meta pixel code on your website through what? Through using code. So now the next one I want to show us is using WordPress. So you come back to this instruction, so let's allow it to load. So in order to connect it to WordPress, so what you need to do is, let's select another pixel. Let's select this web design pixel. So you click on setup conversion API. Okay, you click on setup meta pixel. So now when you click on setup meta pixel, you come to this place where it says use partner integration. So click on check for partner, and you select WordPress. So there are a lot of other partners there. Now you click on next. Now you see it's going to give us the instruction we need to follow. So it's very easy. So first thing, you install this plugin, Facebook for WordPress. So now I've already installed the plugin. If I come to my plugin here, if I click on install plugin, I've already installed the plugin. To install it is not hard. So this is it, meta pixel for WordPress. So initially it is Facebook for WordPress. So when you see meta for WordPress, it's still the same. So once you have installed, you just search for it and you install and activate it. The next thing, you click on next. Now it said you should go to settings. So what we need to do is come here, come to our settings. So this is our setting. Now click on meta. In your case, you might see Facebook, but I think previously it was Facebook. So when you click setting, you come to meta. So when you come to meta, let's see, so it will load. Click on get started. So as you click on get started, continue. So it will bring out your Facebook profile. So click on continue, then click on next. Now business portfolio. So Yeah, so click on next. Which page are you connected to? So let's use this. Click on next. Now I said choose the Instagram you want people to discover and buy your product. So if you don't have any Instagram profile, you can just skip and click on next. Now this is the ad account we are using, Crown Tech. So which of the pixel? So I think this is the one we want to connect, the one we just select now. You know, we connected this one with what was it called, with the manual coding that we added to our HTML. Now all this we have not touched it, so this is the one we want to connect. Click on next. So once you have done that, click on continue. He said, what is WordPress app allowed to do? He said WordPress app may not work properly if you turn off this option. So this integration enables WordPress app to establish a connection with your business portfolio and manage everything. So you don't need to turn it off, just click on next. So now it will link, it's linking your account. So can you see that it's very easy. You are all set. Now that you have connected your website to Facebook, you can now you can choose to create your ad or click on done. So when you click on done, it should take you back. We are passing your system user token back to this means this how we have permission. If you click on agree, this means this site will have permission to access your business access, so you click on confirm. So can you see that it is very easy and straightforward? Your business is connected to what? To Facebook. Use this connection to create ad that feature your product, find new customer on Facebook. Now measure result and improve ROI. Now you can now manage it from here. Connection settings, a lot of settings you can do from here. Delete connection. Now you can delete it, like if you don't want to connect it again, you don't want to connect the pixel again, you can click on it and it will be deleted for you. Now plugin connected to Meta. Now these are, can you see, these are Meta pixel ID. Now if you come back and check, you see that it is the same. So let's just click on next. Now I said we should put our WordPress website link. Let me just copy the link and paste it there. Now with this, can you see it's showing that this site has a pixel, one pixel, but one pixel found on this website. So it's showing that this website is having a what? Is having a pixel. So we have tested it and is what? And is working. So you just click on verify your pixel is working by sending traffic. This may take several minutes. If your status does not change to active after sending it, check to make sure. So it's already active. So because coming here and you click on this place, is saying that one pixel is found on this website, so it is active and it is what? It is sending traffic. So we might wait for some times before it's common, but this is what I want to show you. Now you can see these are pixel ID 1671 blah blah blah. So if you come to this place 1671 now, so you can see that everything is correct. You can see everything is correct. Now if you want to event type, what type of event you want? Is it page view? So if it is page view you want, submit. If you can you must enter the name. Let's say page blog view. So sorry, so you click on submit. So can you see? No, it's one I need though. how can we even delete this? So we have the page view. So can you see? So these are other Facebook ads, this thing. So if you can create ads directly from this place. You want to get more visitors, website visitor, if you click on here, so you can run ads directly from this place. But basically that's not the reason why I created this video. So you can see with the two methods I show you, you can easily add your meta pixel code directly to your index.html or index.php, and also you can add it directly to your WordPress. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to your question. And if you enjoyed this video and this is your first time coming across my video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order for you to get notified anytime I create an amazing and valuable video like this. So thank you for your time. Once again, welcome to Learn with Crown Tech.